Okay, today we'll discuss subfield subcode. One code one C code is given over FQ to the power m. Then C restricted to FQ can be found. What are the codes whose coefficients are from the field, whose bits are from the FQ? That is called subfield subcode, and we have to discuss the parameter of this in this result. So I'm going to write a statement of this. Let capital C be an n, k, d, all capital parameters. N means it is of length n, dimension k, and distance d, linear code over the field FQ to the power m, where q is prime. Then the subfield subcode, C restricted to FQ means you are writing the bit of C which are from the field FQ and whose extension is FQ raised to m. This FQ has extension this. By considering irreducible polynomial of degree m, this element will be considered irreducible polynomial over FQ. So this C restricted to FQ is defined by just C intersection FQ n, because it is of n tuple. So whatever FQn, याचा subset असेल तो FQn चा C intersection FQn is a subset of this FQn. Is an, that want to prove that is an small n k d linear code. So what are the values of this n and k and d? And this is over FQ obviously. So the length will be same. Dimension has a relation. Your dimension small k is always greater than or equal to m into capital K minus m minus 1 into capital N. So what is the minimum? You have minimum of this dimension, otherwise it is greater than or equal to. And distance is also greater than or equal to d. So by applying propagation rule, we can have the code with this parameter. By applying propagation rule, we can have the code with this parameter. So we can add additional statement here. Moreover, and length n, this dimension it is capital D, linear code over FQ exists. Over FQ exists or can be obtained. This can be obtained. The thing is that provided that your mk should be greater than or equal to this number, should be greater than or equal to, strictly greater than or equal to. So that means this number is always 1 or greater than, not 0 also. So let us have a look on the proof of this result. It is simple. So what is given? Given that capital C is an length n, dimension k, distance d, linear code over FQ to the power m. So हा linear code हा C कोणाचा सबस्पेस असू शकतो आपण याच्यावर म्हणू शकतो. That is C is subspace of C has length n, so n tuple. Only thing is that your field is over FQ to the power m. C is a subspace of this. So definitely we restrict this C given that this definition. subfield subcode, this will be defined by this, just C intersection FQN. What I written earlier? Yeah, C restriction FQN, because length should be N. So this FQN जो काय स्पेस असेल त्याचं intersection CC घेणं म्हणजे ही त्याची definition असेल. And we want to verify the length of this. So C restricted to FQ is subspace. कुणाचा subspace असेल तो? It is subspace of this. So that means C restricted to FQ is a linear code over FQ. So it is linear code over FQ, and length of this C restricted to FQ is clear. Its length is n. So its length is n. So length parameter is clear. We want to discuss about dimension. So you have verified that your length of that code is n. So this has been verified. Secondly, we want to find dimension. Dimension of what? Dimension of C restricted to FQ. Write down definition. It is dimension of C intersection FQN. We are going to apply the result here. Dimension of C plus that. It is, this dimension is obviously over FQ, because you are treating this as a linear core over FQ. So dimension over FQ obviously. So dimension over FQ field is dimension C plus dimension over FQN. Actually, formula of sum of these two is nothing but sum of these two minus intersection. So and you have to subtract dimension over FQ of C plus. Instead of P, I am writing C plus FQN. So formula for this is dimension C plus dimension this, the dimension of A plus B is dimension A plus dimension B minus dimension A intersection B. And now here you are writing dimension A intersection B over field FQ. Now I am going to write next step. The dimension, what should I write there? You should mention over FQ of C plus dimension of, we don't know what is C plus, so that's why I am writing here instead of that C, I am writing just FQN. So what should I write here? Should I write greater than equal to or less than equal to here? C plus this. C plus this we are going to write. So it should be greater than or equal to. Because this C is a subspace. Actually C is not subspace of that. C is over ह्याची डायमेन्शन, ह्याचे आपण काय करू, C हा कोणाचा सबसेट आहे? C is a subset of this, and this is FQN. So it will be more than of this. That's why I am writing greater than equal to. So in this way, dimension over FQ of C restricted to FQN, C restricted to FQ is greater than equal to. Now the formula for this I am writing. What is formula? Log to the base Q of size of C plus next log to the log of this to the base Q minus, you are taking dimension over FQ, that's why log to the base Q of size FQN. Okay, I should write M here because both this C is also subset of FQ raised to Mn, and your FQN is also subset of FQ raised to M. So if sum is equal to, then it is equal to, otherwise this will be greater. Both are viewed as this is also subset of FQMN, this is also subset of FQM. So that's why it will be always greater, but due to this minus sign I am writing less than. Okay, I will explain that. The dimension of C per FQN and dimension of FQ raised to Mn, that you are thinking. So it is always less than, because this C is subset of this and this is also subset of this. Either this addition is subset of it or maybe equal to, that's why. But due to that minus sign, you are going to write greater than equal to here. So see here, because of this minus sign, you are writing greater than equal to. Nothing there. Okay. So what we have written above, dimension over FQ of C restricted to FQ is greater than or equal to log of size of C to the base Q plus log of size of FQN to the base Q minus log of size of FQ to the power M n tuple. Now tell me what is the size of this C? What is the size of this C? Anyone unmute? What is the dimension of C? आता C हा I'm writing here, this C is a linear code over F Q raised to M. So C च्या अल्फाबेट मध्ये Q raised to M एलिमेंट आहे, ज्याची डायमेन्शन ही काय कॅपिटल K आहे. म्हणजे अल्फाबेटची साईज रेस टू K ही त्याची काय असते साईज. अल्फाबेटची साईज रेस टू K. So अल्फाबेटची साईज Q to the power M आहे. So actually it is equal to here for this, but I am writing this implies dimension of FQ C restricted over FQ is, now for this it is log to the base Q of size of C is its alphabet is Q to the power M and dimension of C is capital K plus log to the base Q. Now tell me what is size of this? Its size is Q to the power N. FQN ची साइज आपण इझिली सांगू शकतो. इट इज FQN is n tuple vector space over FQ, so it has size Q to the power n. And next minus log to the base Q. This is this is base field is this, so Q to the power m and n tuple should write n here. So finally you get dimension of C restricted FQ over FQ is greater than or equal to log base Q to the power mk plus log to the base Q of Q to the power n minus log to the base Q of Q to the power mn. So mk logचा नियम अप्लाय करून हे लॉग आपण बाहेर घेऊ शकतो. So in this way the dimension of your subfield subcode is always greater than or equal to mk into log of Q to the base Q. mk into log of Q to the base Q is 1 plus n into log of Q to the base Q is 1 minus mn into log of Q to the base Q is 1. So this is going to be, so you call this number as K, dimension small k. This is small k. So small k is greater than or equal to your required number mk plus n, mk plus m minus 1 into n. That's it. So the dimension, so you have verified that your dimension is at least this m minus 1 into n. That we want to prove. So this is all about what we are used here. Dimension of A plus B is equal to dimension A plus dimension B minus dimension A intersection B, and we want dimension A intersection B. And some the size of the code depends on over what field you are taken. So next this is C. Now we are going to thinking about distance. C restricted FQ, that is subfield subcode, is a subset of who? Obviously it is subset of C. Why? Because you are writing C intersection FQN. You are writing this as C intersection FQN. So both are the subset of this. So it obviously C restricted FQ is subset of C. Therefore minimum Hamming weight, both are the linear code, minimum Hamming weight of C restricted to FQ is, आता हा मोठा आहे C आणि याच्यात C restricted FQ आहे, याच्यामधलं मिनिमम वेट आणि याच्यामधलं मिनिमम वेट याची तुलना केली तर कोणाचं मिनिमम वेट जास्त असेल, याचं मिनिमम वेट याच्यापेक्षा जास्त असेल. तेच लिहिते मिनिमम हॅमिंग वेट ऑफ the C restricted to FQ is म्हणजे यामध्ये या मोठ्या सेटमध्ये लहान नंबर म्हणजे तुमच्या पूर्ण क्लासमध्ये मिनिमम मार्क्सवाला स्टुडंट आणि गर्ल्समध्ये मिनिमम मार्क्सवाला स्टुडंट त्या दोघांची तुलना केली जर बॉईजमधला मिनिमम असेल तर हा लहान असेल, गर्ल्समधला मिनिमम असेल तर हा याच्यापेक्षा आणखी लहान असेल. ते आपल्याला सांगायचे होते फक्त. is the least minimum Hamming weight of C. मिनिमम हॅमिंग वेट पाहतो आपण लिनियर कोडसाठी. हॅमिंग वेट ऑफ सी म्हणजे काय? डिस्टन्स ऑफ सी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू FQ is always greater than or equal to distance of C. So this distance is always greater than or equal to D. In this way, C restricted to FQ is NKD linear code. NKD linear code where N is capital N, K is greater than or equal to that number, which number? Mk minus M minus 1 into N, and distance is greater than or equal to D. Moreover, due to propagation rule, distance can be, आता डिस्टन्स 4 असेल आणि हा नंबर 3 असेल तर 4चा आपण 3 करू शकतो. डिस्टन्स पण आपण या मिनिमम डिस्टन्स या ठिकाणी कमी 5 डिस्टन्स आहे, 5 वरून आपण 2-3 कडे मागे खाली आणू शकतो प्रोपगेशन रूलमुळे. ड्यू टू प्रोपगेशन रूल there exists linear code N Mk minus M minus 1 N and D parameter over FQ due to that propagation rule that we have studied earlier. So let us elaborate this theorem by using example. एक्झाम्पलद्वारे आपल्याला आणखी क्लिअर करेल की आपण काय केले थिअरममध्ये. आपण डिफाईन केलेल्या कोडकडे व्यवस्थित पाहिलं. आपल्याला फक्त या ठिकाणी हे साईज लिहिणं महत्त्वाचं आहे, ह्याचे साईज समजणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. हा सी कोड कुणावर कोड आहे? सी इज अ कोड ओव्हर FQ टू द पॉवर M. म्हणजे सीच्या अल्फाबेटमध्ये एवढे एलिमेंट्स आहेत. तर आपण कोडची साईज काय असते ॲक्च्युली? त्याच्या अल्फाबेटमध्ये एलिमेंट पॉवर त्याचं डायमेन्शन, तर सीचे डायमेन्शन कॅपिटल के आहे. तसंच इथं केलं आहे आपण बाकी बाकी लेंथ क्लिअर होती, डिस्टन्स पण आपल्याला क्लिअर कट सांगता येते. फक्त आपल्याला डायमेन्शनला थोडा रिझल्ट आपण या ठिकाणी वापरले. सो लेट अल्फा बी द रूट ऑफ 1 plus x square belongs to this polynomial over F2. Then we want to construct the field with 4 elements where alpha is root of this irreducible polynomial. So let us have C. C must have, okay, whatever length C you can take, C must have over F4. So C is generated by 2 vectors. One is alpha 0 0 length 3 and another is 0 alpha plus 1 0. So this set generates C, means C has dimension 2 clearly and C has length 3 and distance afterward distance we can see what is C. This is over F4. F4 मुझे 2 to the power 2. I am writing F4. Find C and its parameter. And due to theorem this C restricted to F2. Base period is F2. C restricted to F2 and its parameter. Okay, this is very simple example. So irreducible polynomial is, let alpha be the root of, you can easily verify that how the polynomial is irreducible. Neither 0 nor 1 is root of this for degree 2. So coefficients are from binary, so it is F2x. So that alpha is root of this means 1 plus alpha square becomes 0. So this implies alpha square is minus 1 minus alpha. Minus 1 in the binary is plus 1 and minus alpha can be written as plus alpha because additive inverse of 1 is 1. that is -1 is 1. So you are writing the field elements here first. So F4 means F2 alpha. F4 means alpha's power and F2 alpha means polynomial with at least less than or equal to degree 2. So element of these are, I am going to write 0 element is there compulsory in the field. 1 later you can write. So alpha should be there because alpha is root of that. So alpha belongs to this. Alpha square is 1 plus alpha. And who is alpha cube? Definitely it is filled with 4 element. Alpha cube has to be 1. So this alpha raised to 1, alpha square and alpha cube and 0 is there. So this is the field with 4 element. So this is your F4, 0, alpha, 1 plus alpha, and okay, I'll write 1 here. Now C is given like this. It is generated by 3 triplet vectors, alpha, 0, 0, and 0, 1 plus alpha and 0. We have to find out this C. Okay. We apply the set generator notations. If it is generated by u comma v, then it is product of 2 scalars. So I should write this as x into alpha 0, 0 plus y into 0, 1 plus alpha 0. And where from here this x and y? X and y कुठला असेल? F2 चा असेल की F4 चा? C is a code over F4. So x and y should be from F4. So x has 4 choices, y has 4 choices, C has at most 16 element. So let us try to write that 16 element over here. So okay, now x has 4 choices, so I am writing 1 by 1. So आता आपल्याला x आणि y च्या किमती F4 मधले घ्यायच्यात ह्या. x ला 4 choices आहेत आणि y ला पण 4 choices आहेत. So I will fix x 0 and then write y's all values as all 4. So 0 into alpha 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 1 plus alpha 0. Next 0 into alpha 0, 0, alpha into 0, 1 plus alpha 0, 0 into alpha 0, 0 plus next element is alpha square. So alpha square into 0, 1 plus alpha 0. I am going to write alpha's power. And alpha cube is 1, so I should write 1 there. So 0, alpha 0, 0, 0, 1 into 0, 1 plus alpha 0. So हे काय केलं? 0 फिक्स केला आणि y च्या ह्या 4 किमती घेतल्या. सिमिलरली फिक्स नेक्स्ट अल्फा. पुढच्या वेळेस काय करायचं? अल्फा फिक्स करायचा आता. अल्फा इंटू अल्फा आपले वेक्टर काय होता? अल्फा 0, 0 प्लस 0 इंटू x ची किंमत अल्फा. आता x ची किंमत अल्फा फिक्स करायची आपल्याला 4 वेळा. Zero 1 plus alpha 0. Next alpha square 0 1 plus alpha 0. Alpha cube is 1. ओके, x ची किंमत अल्फा फिक्स केली, y पुन्हा 4 वेळा घेतला. आता x ची किंमत नेक्स्ट अल्फा कोणता असेल तो नेक्स्ट अल्फा? अल्फा स्क्वेअर घेतो तर इथं अल्फा स्क्वेअर अल्फा 0 0 अल्फा स्क्वेअर अल्फा 0 0 अल्फा स्क्वेअर अल्फा 0 0 alpha square alpha 0 0. Now you are changing the y. So first y is 0, second is alpha, third is alpha square, and next is alpha cube is 1. And at last you take alpha cube, that is 1. 1 into alpha 0 0, 1 into alpha 0 0, 1 into alpha 0 0, 1 into alpha 0 0 plus 0 into 0 1 plus alpha 0 plus next element is alpha 0 1 plus alpha into 0, alpha square 0 1 plus alpha into 0, alpha cube is 1 0 1 plus alpha into 0. So in this way we get 16 elements here. You get 16 elements here. Now I have to write all those, you should write all those elements. So what is the first element? I am going to write element over here in the set notation later, and you can write. So it is 0, after addition you should write. So it is 0 0 0. So this equal to, who is this equal to? Okay, this coordinate is 0 all, so you are adding with this. So alpha into 0, what is alpha plus alpha square? अल्फा प्लस अल्फा स्क्वेअर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. तर अल्फा स्क्वेअरला आपण 1 प्लस अल्फा म्हटलेलं आहे वरती. हु इज अल्फा स्क्वेअर? एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं, अल्फा स्क्वेअर हा 1 प्लस अल्फा या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये, आणि अल्फा क्यूब 1 आहे. तर अल्फा स्क्वेअरची किंमत आपण 1 प्लस अल्फा ठेवली तर अल्फा 1 प्लस अल्फा गिव्स 1 प्लस 2 अल्फा. सो दिस इज 1, next is 0. So you get 0 1 0. What is calculation of this? 0, it is alpha square plus alpha cube. Alpha square is 1 plus alpha and alpha cube is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means 0. It is just alpha 0. Next, calculation of this, हा पहिला part आपला 0चा आहे. Calculation of this is same 1 plus alpha 0. So these 4 elements. Likewise, all 16 elements you have to take. So what you get here? Now this part is 0. Alpha square is 1 plus alpha. 0 into alpha, 0 into alpha. So do the calculation of this. It is alpha square. Alpha square म्हणजे 1 plus alpha and 1 plus alpha square. Alpha square means 1 plus alpha. What is alpha into 1 plus alpha? So it is alpha plus alpha square. So alpha plus 1 plus alpha is alpha square. So it is 1 and last coordinate is 0. So likewise, you need to calculate all 16 elements. So alpha square is 1 plus alpha. Okay, for everywhere 1 plus alpha is the fixed coordinate because we are going to alpha, and here first position is 0. So what is calculation of alpha square plus alpha cube? तुम्ही साइड बाय साइड करत राहा. अल्फा स्क्वेअर हा 1 प्लस अल्फा आहे, अल्फा क्यूब हा 1 आहे, म्हणजे हा इथं अल्फा आला आणि पुढे 0. ओके, लास्ट कॉर्डिनेट इथं 0 येणार आहे. आता 1 इंटू 1 प्लस अल्फा. ओके, आणखी किती एलिमेंट राहिले काढायचे? आणखी 8 एलिमेंट कॉम्प्यूट करायचे आपल्याला. सो ओके, this is 0. Okay, I'll write here. Alpha cube is 1, so it is 1 0 0. इथं काय आला? 1 0 0 आला because this becomes 0. Now here, आता इथं प्रत्येक ठिकाणी 1 0 0 आहे. फर्स्ट कॉर्डिनेट याचा 1 आहे, फर्स्ट कॉर्डिनेट 1 आहे, फर्स्ट कॉर्डिनेट 1 आहे. का 1 लिहिलं आहे? कारण ॲडिशनमध्ये इकडे फर्स्ट कॉर्डिनेट 0 आहे, त्यामुळे 1 प्लस 0 0 येणार आहे. फक्त आपल्याला, आणि लास्ट कॉर्डिनेट सुद्धा 0 या ठिकाणी. Last coordinate is also 0 because 0 plus 0 is added there. So thing is that alpha into alpha plus 1. So it is alpha plus alpha square. Alpha plus 1 plus alpha, that is 1 plus 2 alpha म्हणजे इथं 1 येणार आहे. ते जर अल्फा स्क्वेअरने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस अल्फा क्यूब असं होईल. सो अल्फा क्यूब इज 1. सो 1 प्लस अल्फा प्लस 1, इट बिकम्स अल्फा. फीडच्या याच्याप्रमाणे कॅल्क्युलेशन करतो आपण. या ठिकाणी हा 1 आहे, तर हा 1, 1 प्लस अल्फा येईल. नेक्स्ट, आता शेवटचे 4 एलिमेंट कॉम्प्यूट करायचे आपल्याला. आय विल राईट हिअर, वी आर गोइंग टू ॲड अल्फा. वी आर गोइंग टू ॲड अल्फा. शेवटचा कॉर्डिनेट 0चे, फक्त आता मधला कॉर्डिनेट अल्फा स्क्वेअरने, फक्त मधल्या कॉर्डिनेटला 0 मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर तिथे 0 येणार आहे. सो टेल मी द कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ दिस. इथं काय करायचं आपल्याला? अल्फा प्लस अल्फा स्क्वेअर. अल्फा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 1 प्लस अल्फा आहे, तर 2 अल्फा 0 लिहितो, या ठिकाणी 1 येईल. या ठिकाणी अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस अल्फा क्यूब. सो अल्फा स्क्वेअर इज 1 प्लस अल्फा प्लस 1. सो 1 प्लस 1 इज 0. So it is alpha, and next it is 1 plus alpha. So in this way you get all the 16 elements. Later on you write all 16 elements like this. C restricted to FQ. Okay, I'm writing all the elements there. 0 1 plus alpha 0, 0 1 0, 0 alpha 0, alpha 0 0, alpha comma alpha plus 1 0, alpha comma 1 comma 0, alpha alpha 0, 1 plus alpha 0 0, next 1 plus alpha 0, next element 1 plus alpha 1 0, 1 plus alpha 0, 1 0 0, 1 plus alpha plus 1, 1 comma 1 plus alpha 0, 1 1 0. आता हे खालवर झाले असेल लिहिताना माझ्याकडनं, ठीक आहे. पण हे 16 एलिमेंट्स आहेत. Oh, this is not C restricted. C. What is the length of C? This is C computed. Length of C पाहू शकता तुम्ही, याची लेंथ 3 आहे. What is the distance? Minimum weight. इथं minimum weight 1 दिसतंय आपल्याला. Okay, dimension is, distance is, what is the dimension of this? This is the field with, this is set with 16 elements. Size of C is 16, and you are calculating over alphabet size is 4. So log of 16 to the 4 is log 4 square to the base 2. So its dimension is 2. 2 log 4 to the base 2. Keep in mind, your alphabet is of size 4. Huh? So you have to take log to the base alphabet size. That is filled with 4 elements. So its dimension, its parameter is this. And this is over F4, not over F2. Huh? This is over F4. Because you can see its bits are from field F4. Now next thing is that B part, we want to compute C restricted to F2. So it is defined by just C intersection F2 3. म्हणजे F2 3 म्हणजे कोण? Without alpha चे element लिहायचे आपल्याला. So I can highlight that elements. I should write this element there because there is no F4 element. I should take this element because there is no F2 element. Then later on I should take this. There is no F4 element. And later on I should take this. I think these are the only 4 elements. याचं इंटरसेक्शन तुम्हाला F2 3 शी करायचं आहे. म्हणजे हे काय फक्त म्हणजे काय, तुम्हाला F4 चे एलिमेंट नसलेलेच ट्रिपलेट लिहायचे आहेत. तर F4 चे एलिमेंट नसलेले ट्रिपलेट हे 14 जण आहेत. सो आय एम गोइंग टू राईट दॅट सेट ॲज 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 0. So anyone unmute, and what are the parameters of this? Unmute करून parameter सांगायचे आता. C restricted to F2 is, C restricted to F2 is, what is the length? 3. Dimension किती असेल याची?
2.
Dimension is 2. And distance?
1.
Of the linear code is 1. Okay, very good. तर आपण C चा आणि ची तुलना करू शकतो. डिस्टन्स तेवढीच राहिली, डिस्टन्स मिनिमम तेवढीच राहणार. आपण म्हटलं तर D इज ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू दॅट कॅपिटल D. तर डिस्टन्स या 1 पेक्षा कमी जाऊ शकत नाही, त्यामुळे आपल्याला क्लिअरचं डिस्टन्स तेवढी राहणार. फक्त डायमेन्शन काय, आता तो नंबर आपण चेक करू शकतो. त्याचा हा स्मॉल के तुमचा 2 आला आहे आणि वरती कॅपिटल के किती होता? वरती कॅपिटल के पण 2च होता. पण आपण नंबर कॅल्क्युलेट केला, कोणता नंबर काढलेला मगाशी? m इंटू कॅपिटल के मायनस m मायनस 1 इंटू n. आता या ठिकाणी n काय ते ठरवावं लागेल तुम्हाला. m ची किंमत किती आहे? f q टू द पॉवर m, म्हणजे आपण घेतलं f 2. सो m ची किंमत आहे 2, कॅपिटल के ची किंमत आहे 2 आणि n 3 ट्रिपलेट आहे. ठेवून पाहिजे काय ते कॅल्क्युलेशन्स. आणि the number should be equal to or less than the small k. So m into k, it is 4. m into k is 4 minus m minus 1, that is 1, and n is 3. So it is 1. So 2 is greater than equal to 1. It will be never less than of this, that you should think. We have another example of the same type. So I will just revise what you did today. Today we are given that this is the linear code. It's a linear code over FQM, whose length is n. At least C is subset of this. You can see C is subset of this. Then later on C restricted to FQ is taken. It will be the linear code over FQ. And its parameters have been discussed. If its parameters are nkd, then we show that its length is n, capital N. K should be greater than or equal to that number m into n minus m minus 1 into, okay, is this correct? M into k should be m into k, and here is n. And distance is always greater than or equal to d. So this has been verified, and one example of this result. There is another example, but we'll have that example in next lecture.